folks, welcome to Barb Makes Things. Today we finish the crash bot.
Barb Makes Things!
Air quotes, because while we did get it working for Maker Faire, I suspect we may add to it more in the future. Last week I said that this video would include Maker Faire footage, but I just shot too much stuff for it to be only part of an episode. I have things to say about all the cool stuff, and I need time to do it. So, next week. At the end of part 2, I had most of the components. The body, the flip bucket, the LED panel, the Adafruit feather, and servos. I just had to assemble them.
The final touches at Maker Faire. I have the Nano that is powering this LED board, and I took it off the 4AA battery pack and plugged it into like a phone charger thing, because I have several of these and then I'm not wasting batteries. Because instead of having the panel up at the front of it, we should put it at the back, and then you can see all of the reflections of the lights inside. Ooh, isn't it lovely? So I need to kind of hot glue that in place. Something smells good. I still need to put in the servos and 3D print something to hold them, probably.
Theron brought his 3D printer, so I modeled and printed the pieces to hold the servos. Just one little problem. I forgot to add a gap for the wires. I could have reprinted that part, but that takes time I don't have, and anyway, I'm not a purist. Dremel time. To attach the arms to the servos, I drilled holes everywhere. I drilled 2 in each of the servo horns. I'm not showing it here, but assume that I did it safely and with proper clamping. Small zip ties through both arm and servo horn made for a sufficiently secure connection. I had originally planned to attach these with small nuts and bolts, but they got misplaced in transit, so it's zip ties to the rescue again. One went through the hole in the 3D print and the acrylic, the other zipped on the outside, and I trimmed them both down. And there it is, the crash bot. There are plenty of things that could be improved. Condensing all of the battery microcontroller mess, and programming the face LEDs to do something more interesting and interactive, just to name a couple. If you liked this video, share it with a friend. If you didn't, share it with an enemy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Make sure to take a look at some of my other builds and how-tos. There are a lot of them. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you click the little bell, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you'd like to get videos a little early and support my channel, you can visit my Patreon page. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.